Hi there, this is Adine here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the new glue gun Kenzo along with tips on how to use it safely. Welcome back. So that's the new Kenzo glue gun. As we all know, glue guns are very useful when it comes to sticking things, especially if the glue gun works with different materials. Great. So I've got this one, which is from Kenzo, and most of them are the same. So as it is indicated in here, it is 40 watt and works with 230 volts. So these are very important when it comes to choosing the right glue gun for your electricity supplier. So make sure if it works with 230 volts or 120 or 130 volts. Also, when it comes to the watt, the maximum you can get, the better. And here we have got two free stick which comes along with the glue gun. We've also got some glue sticks you can buy separately. You will find all the links below the video if you want to get whether the sticks or you want also to get this glue gun. Great, let's unbox it and find what is inside exactly. Great. So as you can see here, we have got the two free sticks. And now that's what is inside the box. First we start with this support, which will be glued next to the fixed in here in order to avoid the glue from leaking onto your desk or the heat extreme to damage any materials. We'll see how to fix it later. Next you have got the guidebook and the conformity declaration to conform with the EU. Great. This is the gun. It comes with a 2-pin plug. So as we said, that's 40 watt. That's the side where we put the glue sticks, and that's the head. Great. To start using it, first make sure that you use this support. It is easy to fix it, just like this. Start by fixing one side. Next you just pull, and voila. So there are different positions you can use. That's very useful when you start using the gun because it becomes very hot, so it may damage your materials. Also make sure to use a card or use any other materials in order to not to make the glue leak into your desk, like this board in here. We'll see it later what we mean. Great. Now if we go back to some of the tips. Tip number 1, check whether the main voltage corresponds to that of the glue gun, as we said before. So make sure it's 230 or 130, which one do you have, and 50 Hertz. Next, it is recommended to use glue sticks with the same diameter as the glue sticks enclosed. If you use an other size of glue sticks, the glue will flow back and jam at the nozzle. Also avoid using glue sticks which are stored for a long time. Next, do not touch the nozzle as it may exceed 100 degrees and this may damage your hand. So make sure not to touch it when you use it. When you use the glue gun for the first time, it will emit some smoke, and that's normal because it's the first use, and will disappear within 10 minutes. Never keep it upwards, as this causes the failure due to the glue flowing back. Always use the stand to keep the gun standing upright during operation, as it is in this case, and never let the gun rest on its side. And as usual, always keep these things or these tools away from children. Great. Now let's head on how to properly use the glue gun. First of all, you need to plug in into electricity. Here, as we said, we have almost 1 meter of cord cable. First of all, you insert the glue. Right, and as you can see, when you just pull the trigger, it will make the glue go forward in order to be heated from, and it will go out of the nozzle. Do not try to pull out the glue sticks, as this may damage the circle in here and it will not work. So if you want to, if this glue finishes, then you can just insert another one and move forward. Cool. Let's hit the gun and start and show you how to stick cards. There is no need to touch the snooze to know if it is hitting or not. It may damage your fingers. So just wait a few minutes until the gun gets hot. As you can see here, it has started heating and the glue is inserted, almost all of it. We'll be waiting a little more and it will start emitting the glue out of the nozzle. You can see it has started to push. So as you can see here, it has been inserted almost fully. What we need to do is just to insert another one, or at the beginning use just a longer one, and soon it will start. Voila, as you can see, it has started emitting from the snooze. Now you can just get this down. For example, we'll use this, put it, as you can see here, it keeps leaking. That's why you should use this cardboard. Now all what we need to do is just to take the other card, just force it a little bit, and you need to wait a few seconds. Here we have just used a small amount. You can just add more to make it fixed properly. Let's add a little more. Great. And voila. Just a few seconds, it works properly, and that's it. Now we can fix all what you have, whether plastic, cards, wood, or any other material. And that's it. With this, we have reached the end of this unboxing. Hopefully that was helpful. See you in the next unboxing. That's your host, Izzuddin. Peace.